In this back area here, my wife and I are a little concerned about intruders coming in, so today we are installing a Ring Floodlight. We're gonna open it up, see what we got. Ooh, all right, let's get this thing out. All right, so here it is. All right, so we're gonna take this one down. Not a bad unit, it was here when we moved in, but it doesn't have video capabilities and it just turns on and off, sometimes at random, so it'll be good to upgrade. Just for the record, I turned the power off of the breaker before starting this process. All right, so now we got a bunch of wires. Remove the bracket also. A lot of wires back here. We got a white, a black, and a grounding wire. Here's our installation kit. And a bracket. Install the mounting bracket. All right, we're in. Hang the floodlight cam. All right, we're hanging. I put this around the ground wire, around the green thing, and then I attach it to the ground wire within my house. All right, we're grounded. Okay, now undo that. Now we need to tighten these caps on. Oh, cool. All right, that one's good. There we go. I think we're all set up, and now we gotta turn the power back on and set up the app. Is the light on the bottom of your floodlight cam flashing? Yes, it is. All right, now let's try to turn the lights on with the app. Wow. Let's try the siren out. Cool, we're on. I mean, when I had the unit off and put this on, it took me 15 minutes. Pretty easy, just made sure the power's off.